Heto na ang pinaka-inaabangang 49th season 2024 PBA Rookie Draft. Well, wag na nating patagalin pa. Heto na with the first overall pick, Converge FiberXer Select. Matagal na nilang inaabangan to and now officially Justin Baltazar joins Converge FiberXers. With the second overall pick na hawak naman ng Blackwater Bossing, kinuha nila itong Phil American guard na si Cedric Bearfield. Heto na with the third overall pick na nakuha sa trade swap kahapon ng Barangay Ginebra. Crowd favorite team select Johnny Abarientos, RJ Abarientos. Nag-proxy lang ang kanyang tito na si Johnny A. With fourth overall pick, Phoenix Fuel Master select. Heto laking addition sa Phoenix, bata ni Coach Tab Baldwin kay Balungay. Fifth overall pick naman na hawak ng Northport, Batang Pierre. Heto medyo napaaga, Batang Pierre select Dave Ildefonso. With the sixth overall pick naman, NLEX Road Warriors select. Heto hinirang na MVP, nasa mapa sa Mythical 5 ng draft combined, Jonel Policarpio napunta sa Road Warriors. 7th at 8th overall pick naman na pagmamay-ari ng Rain or Shine Elasto Painters. Good choice at kinuha nila itong si Kaylan Chongson at itong sinasabi ko na magiging sleepers this draft na si Felix Lemeti, isang field Sweden. 9th pick na hawak naman ng Magnolia Chicken Templados. Kumuha sila ng another guard, 2023 gold medalist Jerome Lastimosa. Heto 10th pick ng Terra Firma na naging kapalit ng kanilang third overall pick na napunta sa Ginebra. Terra Firma Jeep select high leaping guard, well deserved na si Mark Nonoy. 11th pick naman na hawak ng kakakampiyon lang na Meralco Bolts. Kumuha sila ng another weapon offensively and they select CJ Cancino. Last but not the least, sa first round na hawak naman ng San Miguel Beerman. Kinuha nila itong former KBL Asian import na si Evan Nava, isa pa sa mga inaasahang magiging sleepers this draft. Mapunta na tayo sa second round. 13th pick, Rain or Shine Elasto Painter select Francis Escandor. 14th pick, finally nakuha na rin si Evan Nelly, napunta sa Northport, Batang Pierre. 15th pick, CJ Katapusan, kinuha ng Terra Firma Jeep. 16th pick naman na pagmamay-ari pa rin ng Rain or Shine Elasto Painters, kinuha nila itong si Mike Malonzo. 17th pick naman, heto Barangay Ginebra select Didat Hanapi, another shooting guard. 18th overall pick, NLEX Road Warriors. Heto panapat sa mga big man, malaki ang kaha, kinuha nila itong si Brandon Ramirez. 19th pick, another good choice, Converge FiberXers, kinuha itong si Pau Habillonar. 20th pick, pang-limang pick ng Rain or Shine, kinuha nila itong si Miguel Corteza. 21st pick, ikatlong pick ng Converge, another good choice, swertet na abutan pa nila itong si Benjamin Phillips. 22nd pick, ikatlong pick din ng Barangay Ginebra, kinuha nila itong another guard na si Paulo Jose Hernandez. 23rd pick, Meralco Bolt select Kurt Rayson, at last pick ng second round, kinuha ng Converge itong si Jason Credo.